Hi students, in before video we discussed some important topics in organic chemistry, that is electronic displacement in covalent bond. Electronic displacement in covalent bond. So about hyperconjugation, that is a very important electronic displacement of covalent bonds. So that is a very important. So now we will discuss some more important concepts about hyperconjugations, applications of hyperconjugations, applications of hyperconjugations. So hyperconjugation affect the bond length, affect the bond length. So for example, take the propene CH3 CH double bond CH2. Already know that carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54, but for this compound, carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.46 like that. That is slightly less than this value. Why? Because here partially double bond character is formed due to the delocalization of these pi electrons. So single bond length decreases and double bond length is slightly increases. So here 1.35 is there. Already know that carbon-carbon double bond length, carbon-carbon double bond length is in organic chemistry that equal to 1.34. When compared to this value, double bond length is slightly increases. Single bond length is slightly decreases when compared to this value. So due to hyperconjugations, bond lengths are changes. Single bond length is decreases. Double bond length is increases. Double bonds length is carbon-carbon length in double bond, that is increases, slightly increases. So hyperconjugation affect the bond length. Hyperconjugation affect the bond length. One more example, take the acetaldehyde. Here, carbon oxygen double bond. So carbon-carbon single bond length is here 1.5, approximately 1.5. So already know that carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54. That way this value is less than this value. Why? Because due to hyperconjugations, the sigma electrons involved in bond hyperconjugations, that is convert to H plus and H and H and double bond O minus. So here bond length between carbon and oxygen 1.21, that is the value slightly greater than, the value is slightly greater than carbon oxygen double bond length due to hyperconjugation. That pi electrons go to here, convert to single bond. This value is greater, as well value is very less, 1.18 like that. So that value is slightly, this value is slightly greater than this value. So due to hyperconjugations, bond lengths are changes, single bond length is changes and double bond lengths are changes. Single bond length is slightly decreases, double bond length is slightly increases. So why bond lengths are increases? Due to hyperconjugations. Due to hyperconjugation, single bond character is convert to double bond character, double bond character is convert to single bond character. That's why bond lengths are changes. That's why bond lengths are changes. So that is a very important point. Next go to dipole moment. So hyperconjugation, due to the hyperconjugation, dipole moments also changes. So due to hyperconjugations, dipole moment of the some compounds increases. Dipole moment of the some compounds increases. That is a very important, students. So next, dipole moment. For example, formaldehyde. This is the formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde involving hyperconjugation. This is involving hyperconjugation. So here there is no hyperconjugations. This charge is converted to here carbon get partially positive charge and oxygen get partially negative charge. So due to that charge separation, dipole moment is there. Here dipole moment is 2.27. 2.27. Here dipole moment is 2.27. So here dipole moment is 2.72. So acetaldehyde have more dipole moment when compared to formaldehyde. Why? Because here the pi electrons easily transfer to oxygen. Why? Because here sigma electrons come to here. So H and H, here double bond character is formed. Here charge easily separated. So more charge separation, their dipole moment is more. When compared to formaldehyde, acetaldehyde is a more dipole moment. When compared to acetaldehyde, acetone is a more dipole moment. Why? Because in acetone, more number of hyperconjugations are there. In acetone, more number of hyperconjugations are there. So here how many hyperconjugations are there? Here 3 alpha hydrogens. Here 3 alpha hydrogens. How many alpha hydrogens are there? Overall 6 alpha hydrogens. That equal to 6 alpha hydrogens are there. How many alpha hydrogens, students? 6 alpha hydrogens. That is the very important. So hyperconjugations increases. The charge separation is easily take place. So more charge separation, more dipole moment. Which is more dipole moment when compared to all? Acetone is a more dipole moment when compared to acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is more dipole moment than formaldehyde. So which is more soluble? Which is more soluble compounds? Which is have more dipole moments? Which are have more dipole moment compound? This is more dipole moment when compared to aldehydes. So this have more dipole attractions when compared to aldehydes and ketones. So more dipole attractions, that's why more boiling points. Ketones have more boiling points. But solubility is depending on number of carbons also. Less number of carbons, that is the more soluble. When compared to ketones, aldehydes are more soluble. But which compounds are more polar compounds? So ketones are more polar. Why? Because more charge separation is take place here. More number of hyperconjugations. More dipole moment. So that's why ketones have more dipole attractions, more boiling point. More dipole attractions, more boiling point. That is the very important, students. So hyperconjugation affect the dipole moment. That is the very important. So next go to reactivity of aromatic compounds. So based on hyperconjugations, how to explain reactivity of some aromatic compounds? So in aromatic compounds, hyperconjugation is present. For example, methyl benzene. So methyl benzene have hyperconjugation. So how many alpha hydrogens are there? 3 alpha hydrogens. How many alpha hydrogens are present, students? Here 3 alpha hydrogens are there. 3 hyperconjugation structures are there. These pi electrons go to here. So here double bond is formed, carbon X, here H plus, that is the very important. Here pi electron shifting here, so here like that. So this is involved in resonance. Due to these hyperconjugations, the pi electrons are easily shipped. So here next double bond CH and H plus, this pi electrons here and here, the pi electrons go to here. Again, if this pi electrons go, negative charge go to here, pi electrons go to this carbon. One more structure is there. These are resonance structures. So this, compared to these two, are these are resonance structures. H plus, here minus is there. So these structures are resonance structures. Due to hyperconjugation of methyl group, so ring is activated. So which positions are activated? Ortho and para positions are activated. Why? Because in ortho and para positions have more electron density due to hyperconjugation of methyl group. How many hyperconjugations are there? 3 hyperconjugation structures are possible in this. So this hydrogen also involved, So due to hyperconjugation of methyl group, that ring is activated, and also ring is more stable when compared to benzene ring. Methyl benzene is more stable when compared to benzene. Why? Because more resonance forms, more hyperconjugation structures are there. So here ortho para directing group, methyl group is a ortho para directing group. Which directing group? Ortho para directing group. Methyl benzene is a ortho para directing group due to hyperconjugation, not a mesomeric appate. Due to hyperconjugation, methyl group activate the ring. So that is the activated group. Methyl group is a activated group. So methyl group is a activated group, that is also ortho para directing group. When compared to benzene, methyl benzene is a more reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. When compared to benzene, methyl benzene is a more reactive. Why? Because this is the activated group. Towards the halogenation, nitration and sulfonation. And Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. When compared to benzene, methyl benzene is a more reactive due to hyperconjugations. The ring is activated. That's why in electrophilic substitution reaction, methyl benzene is a more reactive when compared to benzene. That is the very, very important, students. Halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. In all reactions, methyl benzene is more reactive when compared to benzene. So methyl group is a activated group. Why? Because that is involved in hyperconjugation. Due to hyperconjugation, that is the activated group. So next, some more examples. So methyl benzene and ethyl benzene and propyl benzene, N-propyl benzene. Next, isopropyl benzene, Next, tertiary butyl benzene. So, which of the following compound have more hyperconjugations? Which of the following compound have more hyperconjugations? So, which compound have more hyperconjugations, students? Which one have more alpha hydrogens? That compound have more hyperconjugations. That is the very important. So, which one have more hyperconjugations? Which one have more alpha hydrogens? Methyl benzene have more alpha hydrogens. Methyl benzene have more alpha hydrogens. That is the very important. Here 3 alpha hydrogens are there, 3 hyperconjugations. Here only 2 alpha hydrogens are there, 2 hyperconjugations. Here also 2 hyperconjugations. Here also we have only 1 hyperconjugation. Here there is no alpha hydrogens. There is no alpha hydrogens. That is the very important. So, which is more activate? Which compound is more activate to ring? Which is more activate the ring? So, which group is more activate to ring? So, which one is more activate? Methyl group is more activate when compared to remaining. But these two are same hyperconjugations here depending on inductive effect. This is a more inductive effect. So, this is more activate when compared to this. Both are have same hyperconjugations, but here plus I effect is more. Plus I effect is more. That's why this is the more activate. Here less number of hyperconjugations. This is the less. Next, this is the there is no hyperconjugations. Here only inductive effect is there. Due to inductive effect, the ring is very less activate. But when compared to benzene, this is the more reactive. Why? Because this is the positive group is there. Some activation is there. So, here reactivity order is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is the more reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reaction? That means halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylations. So, which is more reactive? 1 is more reactive than 1 is more reactive than 3, 3 is more reactive than 2, 2 is more reactive than 4, 4 is more reactive than 5. That is more reactive than benzene. When compared to benzene, these all are more reactive. Why? Because some ring activated groups are there. This is the ring activated due to inductive effect. So these are activated groups due to hyperconjugations. Due to hyperconjugations. That is the very important, students. So next, go to acidic and basic nature. Acidic and basic nature. That is the very important. Before going to acidic nature and basic nature, I will explain one more example. That is the very important. Do you know, students? CCl3. CCl3 is a plus M group or activated group or deactivated group. That is the deactivated group. That is a deactivated group. There is no multiple bonds. There is no lone pairs. How to act? That is the deactivated groups. For example, NO2 group is a deactivated group. Why? Because I have multiple bonds with nitrogen. Have multiple bonds with most electronegative atom. That's why these electrons go to here. This is accept the electrons from the ring. That's why this is the deactivated group. NO2 group accept the electrons from the ring. NO2 group accept the electrons from the ring. That's why that is the deactivated group. Why? That is the activated from the electrons activated from the ring. Here multiple bonds are there. When compared to nitrogen, oxygen is the most electronegative atom. This electron accepts the oxygen. So the electron move towards the oxygen. Nitrogen get positive charge. That's why nitrogen accept the electrons from the ring. So the which group accept the ring? That is the deactivated group. So NO2 is a deactivated group. Here CCl4, there is no multiple bonds. There is no multiple bonds. Why? That is act as deactivated group. That is act as deactivated group. So now I will explain. Cl, Cl, Cl. So here, So these electrons are accepted this, that is convert to Cl minus and Cl plus. So that time carbon have positive charge, that's why these electrons move to this direction. So that is involving here partially double bond is formed. Yeah, like that. This is the reverse hyperconjugation. Reverse hyperconjugations. This is a reverse hyperconjugation here. Plus. So here this is the deactivated group. Deactivated group or meta-directing group. It is a meta-directing group. CCl3 is a meta-directing group due to hyperconjugations. Which hyperconjugation? Reverse hyperconjugations. Reverse hyperconjugations. And CF3 same like that. CF3 also deactivated group due to hyperconjugations, not a inductive effect, not a mesomeric effect, not a resonance effect. Here CCl3 or CF3 are deactivated groups due to reverse hyperconjugations. Due to reverse hyperconjugation, these are deactivated group and meta-directing groups. Meta-directing group. This hyperconjugation is a reverse hyperconjugation. Which of the following molecule have reverse hyperconjugation? So CCl3 in benzene contains CCl3 or CF3. CCl3 or CF3, that molecules involved in reverse hyperconjugation. That's why that group is act as the deactivated group. When compared to benzene, these two compounds are very less reactive. When compared to benzene, these two compounds, benzene CCl3 and benzene CF3, these compounds are very less reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reactions. So these two compounds does not involve in Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Why? Because very deactivated groups, that are strong deactivated groups, and compared to NO2, these two are very strong deactivated groups. Strong deactivated group or deactivated group is present in benzene ring that are not involved in Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. That is the very, very important. Why CCl3 in benzene ring or CF3 in benzene ring act as meta-directing groups? Due to hyperconjugations. That is the very, very important, students. So this is the reverse hyperconjugation. Next, go to acidic nature of some aromatic compounds and basic nature of the some aromatic compounds. For example, phenol or benzoic acid, here methyl group is there. OH, here ethyl group. Next, isopropyl group. So next, tertiary butyl group is there. So which of the following is more acidic? So here acidic nature increases. Acidic nature is increases with increase in acidic nature increases with increase in negative character or positive character. Acidic nature increases with increase in negative character, which are have withdrawing groups are there. Acidic nature increases. Here electron donating groups are there. Due to electron donating groups, acidic nature of phenol decreases. Where the more electron density donated to ring, that compound have less acidic nature. Which one is more activate the benzene ring? Methyl group is more activated due to more hyperconjugations. Here how many hyperconjugations are there? 3 hyperconjugations. Why? Because 3 alpha hydrogens are there. Here 2 hyperconjugations, 2 alpha hydrogens. Here only 1 hyperconjugations. So only one hyperconjugation. Here 0 hyperconjugation, but this is the plus I group. This is a plus I group. So due to hyperconjugations increases, acidic nature increases. Sorry. Hyperconjugations increases, acidic nature decreases. So which one have less acidic when compared to all? First one is a less acidic. So this is the A, B, C, D. So which one have less acidic? A is less acidic when compared to all. Which one is more acidic? D is more acidic. D is more acidic. This is the very important, students. So A is less acidic. So D is more acidic. Less acidic means more pKa value. Which of the following have more pKa value? Which of the following have more pKa value? So first one have more pKa. That means less Ka value. So hyperconjugations increases, acidic nature decreases. So one more example. OH. Here methyl group present in meta positions. OH, CH2, CH3, that all group present in meta position. Which position, students? Meta position. In meta position, inductive appetites dominate the hyperconjugations. In meta position, which appetites dominate, students? Hyperconjugation is dominate. Sorry. Inductive appetites dominate to hyperconjugations. Inductive appetites dominate. Which case is more inductive appetite? This case is more inductive appetite. This case is more inductive appetite. This case is more inductive appetite compared to this. This is the less inductive effect, less plus I effect. So this case, this is the more acidic. A, B, C, D. So here A is more acidic than B, B is more acidic than C, C is more acidic than D. Here inductive effect is dominate the hyperconjugations. Less inductive, less plus I effect, that is the more acidic. Less plus I effect, that is more acidic. In this case, hyperconjugation is dominant. In this case, hyperconjugation is dominant. What is the acidic nature? D is greater than, C is greater than, B is greater than A. That is the very important, students. These two examples are very important. So this is the acidic nature of phenol affected by hyperconjugation. So hyperconjugation affect the acidic nature. Hyperconjugation is affect the acidic nature. Next, go to basic nature of aniline. So basic nature of aniline. So affect on, that is affect by hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation affect the basic nature of aniline. Basic nature of aniline. That is the very important, students. So next, aniline basic nature. Aniline have basic nature. Why? Because nitrogen have lone pair. Due to lone pair, that is the donating to lone pair to any compound, that is the Lewis base. So here methyl group is there. First compound A, next B, NH2. So here ethyl group. So next C isopropyl group. isopropyl group. This is the isopropyl group. Next D, tetrahedral group is there. NH2 group. Basic nature is increased by donating groups. Basic nature is increased by donating groups. Which is more donating to ring? Which is more donating to ring? Methyl group is more donating when compared to remaining. So, basic nature, which one is more? A is greater than, B is greater than, C is greater than D. So, more basic, less pKb. Less pKb. What is the correct order of pKb values? pKb values, correct order of pKb. So D is greater than, C is greater than, B is greater than A. This is the very important, students. Correct value of D is greater than, C is greater than, B is greater than A. That is the very important. That is the very important. Correct value of Kb. Correct value of Kb. A is greater than, B is greater than, C is greater than D. So, which of the following compound easily interact with HCl, easily neutralized with HCl? So, another question is, which of the following compound easily interact with HCl, easily react with HCl? So, which compound have more basic nature? That compound is easily react with HCl. Easily react with HCl. Which is more basic, students? A is more basic. So, A is more reactive with HCl. Next B is more reactive than C is more reactive than D. Why? Because A is more reactive, that is the more basic when compared to these all compounds. When compared to these all compounds. Due to hyperconjugations, basic nature is changes. More hyperconjugations, more basic nature. More hyperconjugation, less acidic nature. More hyperconjugations, more basic nature. Due to hyperconjugations, here basic nature increases. Hyperconjugations increases, basic nature increases. Hyperconjugations increases, basic nature increases. That is the very important, students. So next, these groups are present in meta positions. What happened? These groups are present in meta positions. What happened? So in meta positions, inductive appetites dominate. Meta positions, which appetites? Inductive appetites dominate the hyperconjugations. So isopropyl group. Here which appetites dominate? Meta position. Inductive appetites dominate. More inductive appetite, more basic. More inductive appetite, more basic. More plus I appetite, more basic. So in meta positions, these groups are there. This is the more basic. That is more basic. That is the very important, students. This is the basic nature of aniline affected by hyperconjugation. Affected by hyperconjugation. So next, some important points are there. This hyperconjugation also explained by carbocation, benzyl carbocation or benzyl carbanion. This hyperconjugation also explained. So stability of benzyl carbanion and benzyl carbocation. So how to explain that? In place of NH2 group, that is the CH2 plus is there. CH2 plus. This is the benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation. So benzyl carbocation stability is increased by alkyl groups. Why? Because that alkyl groups are donating groups to ring. So donating groups are there. Stability of carbocation increases. Donating groups are there. Stability of carbocations increases. So here methyl group, ethyl group, and propyl and tertiary butyl groups are there that are donating groups. Which group is more donating? That case benzyl carbocation is more stable. In which group is more donating to ring? So methyl group is more donating to ring. Methyl group is more donating to ring. That's why that is the most stable. So methyl group is there. That is in case methyl group, this is the most stable when compared to ring remaining. Why? Because that is the more donating to electron, more number of electron donating to ring due to hyperconjugations. How many hyperconjugations are there? 3 alpha hydrogens are there, 3 hyperconjugations. 3 hyperconjugations. Due to hyperconjugations, this is involved in resonance. Due to hyperconjugations, this ring is involved in resonance. So increase the stability of the carbocation. Increase the stability of carbocation. This is the very, very important. Now stability of carbocation, correct order, A is greater than, B is greater than, C is greater than D. That is the very, very important, students. A is greater than B, B is greater than C, C is greater than D. That is the very, very important. Next, so here carbanion is there, minus, carbanion minus is there. Carbanion minus is there. So now minus is there, withdrawing groups are there, stability increases. Here which groups are there? Donating groups are there. Due to donating groups, stability of carbanion decreases. Due to withdrawing groups are there, carbanion stability increases. Here donating groups are there. These all groups are donating to electron, donating to ring. These groups are donating groups. These 3 groups are donating group due to hyperconjugation. This is the donating group due to inductive effect. So here more donation, where more donation is take place, here more donation is take place. That's why this is the less stable. So D is more stable than, or D, when compared to D and E is more stable. So E is more stable than D, D is more stable than C, C is more stable than A. Here more donation, stability is decreases for carbanion. More donation, stability of carbanion decreases. Methyl group is a more hyperconjugation. Due to hyperconjugation, stability of carbanion decreases. Carbanion decreases. Benzyl carbanion ion stability decreases by increase in hyperconjugations. Increase in hyperconjugation. This is the very, very important, students. This concept is very, very important. This is the applications of hyperconjugations. So this video is very, very, very useful for you. Don't miss it. Next video is also very, very important for you. Don't miss it, that videos. Thank you very much.